what are some types of problems that we could run into where we run into unexpected results? That is, what could go wrong? So in this first example, you have x plus y equals 1 and x plus y equals 2. If we use the elimination method, we need one of these variables to cancel out with the other variables. So it'd be great if we took the second equation and we'll multiply the whole second equation by a -1. In doing this and using the addition method and adding these two together, positive x minus x is 0x's, y and negative y is 0y's equals -1. So we have 0 is equal to -1. But this is not true, and it is never true. What's wrong? What's going on here? Well, the original problem, x plus y equals 1, x plus y equals 2, if you had thought about that, you would have come to the conclusion that these are parallel lines. And parallel lines have the same slope and do not cross. Therefore, you're not going to be able to find a solution that would be graphically, you would not be able to find a point of intersection. So, since it's never true, since they're parallel lines, there is no solution. For the next example, we have something very similar. We see x plus y equals 1 and 2x plus 2y equals 2. If I take the first equation and multiply it by a -2, that gives me a -2x minus 2y is equal to -2. Now, if I were to add these two equations and eliminate the x's, I end up with 0x's plus 0y's is equal to 0. Well, 0 is equal to 0 is always true. So what's happening here? Since everything has canceled out, what we're looking at is the exact same line. So a point that works for one line will work for the other line as well. If I solve the first equation for y, I have y is equal to -x plus 1. So any x that I pick that has a y of -x plus 1 is going to work for both of these lines right here. So if I pick 1, 0, that'll work for both lines. If I pick 2, -1, that will work for both lines because they are the same line.